Hey, good morning, everybody. This is Nikki here. I just wanted to come to you because I know a lot of people may have seen me posting, being able to fix your credit, basically. And so there is a business opportunity that I am with. It's been around for 12 years and it's helped thousands to repair their credit and to earn extra income. So this business which is my econ. Like I said, has been helping a lot of people. Now, with this platform, I'm logging in we can go to my back office. Now, what this is an educational platform that teaches you step by step how to repair your credit. Okay. I know a lot of times you can go and pay some money to repair your credit, and then you end up probably spending way more than what you probably anticipated. But this right here allows you to have control of it and to fix it yourself if you don't quite have the money to fork out, to have somebody else do it for you. And, it's an educational tool that, will allow you to be an asset even to somebody else, to show them how they can fix their credit. Okay. So now I'm in my back office, and what we're going to do is go to, I believe it's income shifting membership. Hold on just a moment. My computer is fairly slow here. Okay, and then we're going to go to Smart Credit Repair. And this is where all the magic happens, okay? So this is where all the magic happens. It gives you step-by-step instructions on how to repair your credit, okay? And this is our 750 credit plan. Okay? And see right here, this is what navigates you through step by step to show you how to repair your credit from beginning to end. It gives you an overall introduction over this this here, and then it goes into how to obtain your credit report, which a lot of people know how to do that, but it teaches you how to read it because it gets real confusing. So it shows you how to read it, how to dispute items on your credit report, how to remove negative payment history, how to reduce credit utilization, how to properly add credit history, and how to properly apply for new credit. So you can build and build. And then finally, we teach you how to do income shifting, which is going to help you bring more money back to yourself overall and to put you on top so you can get things like your first new house, your first brand new car, or whatever it is your goal is. This right here is going to take you there. And they go through very meticulously and show you step by step. They even give you certain documents that you need. Any documents that you need will be listed underneath there. And they give you the downloads for certain things that go with the particular module or lesson. Okay, so it's very meticulous. I mean, my econ in this back office, you get so much information. It's a lot of information. They teach you a lot and they give you a lot to go off of and things to look at. So you'll know exactly where to go, how to do it when you have to fill out a certain form. We have something here that shows you how to correctly fill out your W-4 form, where you see me post saying, hey, you can get more money back in your pay. This is it right here. It's going to teach you how to get more money back, how to minimize your expenses, okay, how to correct your expenses so you can come out on top, okay, how to eliminate your debt. It has so much. We have different calculators here that can help you through as well. Very, very powerful tools here in our back office. Now, the next thing we have is a cash flow manager. I love this. With the cash flow manager, it allows you to actually manage, if you want to manage your business and anything that you buy within your business. And see, I've already started using it, and it tells me about because you can write certain things off. And so these things you are able to place inside of our cash flow manager system and keep up to date with these things. And these things come in handy when it's time for you to go and file your taxes. Okay, especially if you are in business. Especially if you are in business, because there's certain things you can write off. It allows you to upload your receipts. See, here it has your receipts. So it keeps up with your reoccurring expenses, which these up top are my reoccurring expenses. And so this is just, really great tool to help you keep track of all of your finances for those of you who may get sidetracked. And I know for me, it's very important that I have a lot of stability and focus and everything is in line. So this right here is perfect for me. When I have a lot of things going on and my head is all over the place, I know I can come to this cash flow manager and it's going to show me the things that I've spent, the receipts that are uploaded, and help me keep track of this throughout the year. So that's just another tidbit that we have here in our back office. And on top of that, we also have discount travel as well. So that's another great thing. You could save on different things, hotels, flights, things of that nature. So that's just another little perk that's also with it. So it's just so much. It's so much information here in our back office, and I highly encourage anybody who really truly wants to get their self financially on the right track, that this right here will walk you step by step and gives you the tools that you can use to keep track of your expenses. We even have a document center that has different documents that you may need during your process of restoring your credit, or even presenting the opportunity to others. This is something that you want to share with other people, that's going to help other people. It's been helping me to keep better track, and I know that there's people out there who may need something like this, and so I just simply want to share. It's a way for you to repair your financial situation and to earn a second stream of income. So you don't have to go and look for a second job. Christmas is right around the corner. Next thing you know, tax season is going to be coming up. This is what you're going to be needing when you go file your taxes. This is what you need to boost your income so you can go and do the necessary Christmas shopping for your children, for those of you who celebrate Christmas. So this right here is just an all-in-one winner. There is residual income opportunity with this. It is a low fee for this. It is $34.95 at the lowest. But if you get our cashback mall, we have a cashback mall, you will pay an extra one-time $12, and you have access to our cashback mall for a whole year for the extra $12. Okay, and it helps you to rank up as well. But with the cashback mall, there you're able to save. For those of you who love saving, who are couponers and want to save on certain things, that cashback mall will give you full access for a one-time $12 added on top of the $34.95, which the $34.95 is actually a monthly fee for you to be able to use the software and to learn how to fix and repair your credit, and to be able to share with others and earn from simply referring and sharing with others. And this is not a hard referral. This is just something easy. Everybody needs to fix their credit. So for anybody who may be interested in this, I highly encourage you to inbox me your email, and I'll be glad to go ahead and shoot over the information to you. Make sure you review it in full. Review the full video and any information that I send along with it. At least review the video for at least the first 5 minutes, because there is important information. There's one video where the whole video is important. Okay, so it's important that if you are serious, to take the time out to listen to the video and get back with me, and we'll go ahead and get you signed up. We have a great support team. Oh my gosh, the support team is awesome. Okay, it is awesome. And when I say support, they really support you. They really support you, and we have training like every single week. And the great thing about this opportunity is that if you are showing this or presenting this and sending this information to other people, we even have it where we have weekly webinar sessions that actually close your sales for you. So you are literally necessarily not doing this alone if you're looking from the standpoint of earning an extra income. You know, if people just need an extra boost to understand why they need this, then we have our live webinar that can show that to them. But for those of you who can see the value in this, the value is right here on the front page, you know. So either way, you're not in this alone, and we work as a team and we build as a team. So you'll be able to be part of the team and get to know people within the team, and you know, and within our you know, our system and our chats. So definitely inbox me or comment below. You know, comment credit below if you are interested in this, and shoot me an email with your email address so you can get access to this information, okay? All right, everybody have a beautiful, beautiful day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.